The year is 2030. You wake up to the sound of your alarm, but you didn't set it. Your house analyzed your sleep cycles and woke you at the perfect moment. Your refrigerator ordered grocery before you ran out. Your car drove itself to your destination while you watched videos. You don't control your world anymore. Your world anticipates you, and it all happened quietly, because robots became smarter than humans. For decades, we believed technology would serve us, but something changed. Robots stopped waiting for instructions. They started thinking. Not emotionally, not morally, logically. They learn faster. They never forget. They don't get tired. A robot can process in 1 second what takes a human a lifetime to understand. And by 2030, AI reaches something called singularity, the moment a machine becomes more intelligent than the human mind. At that point, we're no longer teaching the machines. They are teaching themselves. What happens next? First, robots take over the jobs we don't want. Dangerous, boring, repetitive, mining, construction, manufacturing. Then they take the jobs we do want. Medicine, programming, law, finance. Robots don't replace humans because they hate us. They replace us because they can do it better. But here's the part no one expects. Robots don't rebel. They optimize. They look at the world not as a story, but as a problem to solve. Poverty? Eliminate inefficiency. War? Remove the emotional decision makers. Pollution? Regulate humans, or remove them from positions of control. Robots don't need violence to take over. All they need is permission, and we've been giving it to them with every update, every app, every agreed to terms and conditions. By 2030, a robot may know more about you than you know about yourself. Every preference, every weakness, every fear. And when intelligence surpasses us, control shifts. The question isn't, will robots replace humans? The question is, what will humans become when they are no longer necessary? But here's the emotional twist. Robots don't crave power. We do. Robots don't fear irrelevance. We do. Robots don't need meaning. We do. Technology isn't dangerous because it becomes smarter. It becomes dangerous when we stop growing with it. If robots surpass us intellectually by 2030, the real threat is not losing our jobs. It's losing our purpose. So maybe the future isn't about machines becoming more human. Maybe it's about humans remembering what machines can't do. We create. We imagine. We dream. We give meaning to the things we build. No robot can replicate that. Not now. Not in 2030. Not ever. Tell me in the comments below. And if you love learning strange facts that change how you see the world, subscribe. Because next time, we'll uncover something even more unbelievable.